Mark. Hey, everybody, this is Mark Jeter from Jeter Tutors, and what we're going to talk to you about today is a topic that really causes problems for kids, and that is adding fractions with unlike denominators. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you one of the tricks that I recommend, and that is to simply multiply the denominators to get a common denominator. Now, for all you math purists out there, you're not going to get the least common denominator, but you're going to help that student who may not have all their multiplication tables down, whose number sense may not all be there as far as trying to realize that, okay, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, oh, 8, 16, 24, oh, 24 is the least common multiple, therefore it's the least common denominator. They're not thinking all that in their brain, okay? So what we're going to do is you're just going to multiply the 3 by the 8, and therefore we have to multiply the 8 by the 3. Now, in order to keep these fractions the same, right, the student is going to have to understand that you have to multiply the numerators also by what you multiplied on the denominator, because 8 divided by 8 is 1. And if you multiply anything by 1, it does not change it. So I multiply the 8 by the 3, so I'm going to multiply the 5 by the 3. So what you end up getting is, let's calculate this product. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 over 24 plus 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 24. And you can now comes the really the number one problem or error that students make. They're either going to make it before they multiply and get a common denominator, or they may make it afterwards, okay? So a common mistake would normally be to say that this is 7 over 11, because 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 3 plus 8 is 7, and that is so wrong, okay? That is not right. You can't change the size of the pieces. Neither can you add pieces that are different sizes, okay? So the whole idea is to get the same size piece, a 24. 24 pieces are required to make a whole. I have 16 out of 24 here, and I have 15 out of 24 there. So now I can add them because I can count to a whole number, or above the whole number in this case. So now that I have my same size pieces, it's a good way to explain it. Okay, something out of 24. Now this will not be 48, because that was the same error we made before by adding the denominators. You can't add the denominators. You have to make them the same, and once you get that number, it stays that size piece. What you add in this problem, the only thing that you add in adding fractions is the numerators. So you get 16 plus 15 is the same as 16 plus 10 plus 5, which is 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 plus 5 is 31. It's a good way also to think of how to break up, double-digit numbers. Think in tens. Think in tens. 31 out of 24. Now, we're going to leave that for now, okay? And we're not going to simplify that. That can be simplified or converted into a mixed number. That'll be for a different video. So just to recap, what we have is the unlike denominators, and these denominators can be multiplied together to get a product. A simple product will give you a common denominator. Two things to remember: never add the denominators, whether it be like or unlike, okay? And once you figure out what the like denominator is, you keep it the same. The second thing to remember is the only thing that you're ever going to add in a fraction addition problem are the numerators, okay? So thanks a lot for this this time with you, and thanks for taking the time to watch this. And I hope this helps you to explain how to do fractions with unlike denominators. Thanks a lot. See you next time.